Okay, we're in a tub shower combo here in Marietta, Georgia, and just basically kind of taking a look at a standard job for us here. You see a lot of these types of tubs. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. You can see some caulking that is getting real moldy. Needs to be replaced. They called the right people. Oh, there's a no-no right there, bar soap. Bar soap is tougher to get down the drain. We always encourage liquid soap. There you can kind of see a little bit of, again, more discoloration there. And then along the walls here, if you can see this, there's a lot of grout missing and a lot of mold and mildew. Grout missing, mold and mildew in these grout lines right here. And this is what we're going to take care of, along with a pretty heavily soiled bathtub. We'll take care of that as well. So looking forward to making this shower look like new.